Welcome to VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, I will show you how you can check the temperature of your CPU, which means how hot your CPU is. By default, there is no option to check the current temperature of CPU in Windows. But today I will tell you a software or tool that will help you to check the current temperature of your CPU. It will work for both desktop and laptop. Guys, this software is not accessible with screen readers. But if you watch our tutorial, we will tell you how you can make it accessible. So without further delay, let's jump in today's episode. Before starting today's episode, if you are interested to join Python Adventure course, if you want to learn Python, then we have a great opportunity for you. We are gonna start the next batch of Python Adventure 100 days completely online course in this August 2025. If you are interested, check out the Python Adventure link or the course page from the website of VI Tech Academy. You can find our website link on the about page of our YouTube channel. If you want to contribute us, you can join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Software is essential, but hardware is more essential than software, because without hardware, you cannot run a software. So, I know that you are all care about the software, like updated versions, proper NVIDIA add-ons, JavaScripts, etc. etc. We also need to care about our hardware. So today, in this video, we will see how we can check our CPU temperature. To do this, you need to use a tool called CoreTemp. So let's download this software first. Let me open any browser.
Start toggle new tab.
For my purpose, I'm just opening this Chrome. Now here I can type coretemp.com, or I can directly just search CoreTemp.
eTemp select. Core. Coretemp.
So it's better to search on CoreTemp. I will drop the link in the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp and channel. So if you are interested, you can join that to get that link.
Navig main landmark clickable search results heading clickable web result with site clickable CoreTemp heading level 3 visited
this
link.
Is the first link where you need to click.
CoreTemp.
It will take you to this page.
CoreTemp Google Chrome.
And now just go down.
No next heading. Blank. Row 2 same page link home. Row no row 5 row 6 row 7 link fact. Row 13 since inserted 7 inserted.
In this site you may face some advertisement issues.
Blank. Table with 3 inserted aim insert.
So it's better to just create a linked list and then press D for download.
Download 19 of.
Press enter.
CoreTemp. Save as dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected. CoreTemp setup v1.18.1.0.x.
So you can easily install, you can easily download this in your favorite directory. I have already downloaded it, so I'll not download it again right now.
Opt system U.
This is the software which I have downloaded.
CoreTemp setup v1.18.1.0.x.
Now you need to install it. To install it, press enter on it and allow the permission.
Secure desktop system U setup. CoreTemp dialog. Next greater button Alt plus N.
Click on next.
Unavailable. Please read the following license agreement.
Now just press tab.
I do not accept the agreement.
And press up arrow to choose I accept.
I accept the agreement. Radio button.
Press tab and click on next.
Less back button. Next greater button. Continue. Click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected C.
Now if you want to choose a different folder, click on browse and choose your folder. Let me do this.
Browse for folder. Local disk. C. Collapsed. backups and software expanded. App room. OK button. Setup. Core temp dialog. Browse.
And then press tab and click on next.
Less back button. Next greater button. Alt. Let browse button to continue. Click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit selected E. App room core temp. Let next greater folder exists dialog. Yes button. Alt plus Y.
So let me check the dialog as I have earlier used. So let me check the dialog.
Folder exists dialog. Yes button. Alt plus Y. No button. Alt plus N. Graphic. The folder E. App room core temp already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? No but yes button. Alt plus Y.
So let me click on yes.
Press setup. Core temp.
And then I'm pressing tab again.
Build your kingdom with Good Game Empire. Start the game from the icon on your desktop. Checkbox checked.
So do not check this box checked.
Not create a shortcut to core temp add-ins such as the core temp gadget. Checkbox not checked.
Definitely this checkbox should not checked.
Install additional language packs. Checkbox checked.
I don't need.
Not install the core temp remote server plugin to allow monitoring core temp status from core temp monitor. Checkbox not checked.
I don't need.
Less back button. Alt next greater button. Alt
Click on
plus
next.
N. Install.
And now it is ready to install. To install this, press enter here again.
Next greater 99% when you are ready to continue with setup.
Now just press tab.
Next greater button. Alt plus N.
Click on next.
Finish. Setup has finished installing core temp on your computer. The application.
And now the application is successfully installed in your system. Press tab.
Launch core temp. Checkbox checked.
So I will not be launch again.
Not check. Less back button. Alt finish button. Alt plus F.
Click on finish. Once you finish, the readme file will open.
Press setup on a notepad. Readme.
So if you wish, you can read it, but I'm closing it now.
System mute.
So
Des-
after installing the software, let me open it. You can open it from the icon on your desktop. I'm pressing C for core
Core
temp.
temp 2 of 20.
I'm pressing enter here
Secure desktop.
and giving the access.
System mute.
Now if you can see my screen, you can see the temperature. But if I press tab,
Next tab can items view list. Name core temp.
nothing happens. If I press alt, I can get the file menu.
File sub menu. Alt plus F.
Under this, I can find some options. But apart from this,
Options sub menu.
Options,
Tool sub menu.
tools,
Help sub menu.
helps.
System sub menu. File sub core temp 1.
then if this is not accessible with NVIDIA, then how we can use this? We should use the object navigation of NVIDIA. This is a special feature of NVIDIA. So now let's do that.
Num lock off.
Remember, the shortcut key is different as I am using the desktop layout. Those who are using the laptop layout, you can find the shortcut from the NVIDIA help. So I am using insert, then numpad 4 6. Okay.
Num lock on. Num lock.
By turning off numlog, insert or NVDA, then numpad 4, numpad 6, numpad 8, numpad 2. So if you want to learn more about object navigation, please let me know into the comment section so that I'll make a different video on this. So let me check.
No next.
It is saying no next.
Application menu bar alt.
Application menu bar.
Graphic. Combo box processor number 0 and available.
Processor number
collapse.
0.
Processor information grouping.
So processor information.
Core S6.
So it is saying Core S6.
Thread 12. Select CPU.
Select CPU.
Temperature readings grouping.
Temperature reading, yes. So I'm just expanding this object.
TJ Max.
Max.
95 degrees C.
This is 95 degrees Celsius. It will take this. This is a maximum it can take. But now let's understand these three things.
Min.
Minimum temperature.
Max.
Power. So I'm using the same key like numpad plus 6. Sorry, insert plus 6.
CPU number 0. 48 degrees C.
48 degrees C. This is the minimum temperature which is used by the CPU.
48 degrees C.
48
degrees
48?
C. 48 degrees
48.
C.
So minimum maximum almost same.
54 degrees C.
Okay.
49 deg 48 deg 4 CPU number 0. 49 degrees
49?
48 degrees C.
48. This is the minimum.
54 degrees
This
C.
is the maximum.
49 degrees C. 49 degrees
Now
C.
see, it might be changing. Right now it is not
40,
changing.
54 degrees
And now
C.
see.
25.9 W.
This is this much of what it is consuming.
No,
this
next.
power is consumed. So this is the way you can easily check your CPU temperature using this small tool, Core Temp. That's it, guys. If you find this content useful, please like the video and share the video with others. Don't forget to let us know if you want this unique software tutorial in this channel into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.